जिंदगी गिरवी रख कर भी जिंदगी गिरवी रख कर भी ना उतार पाएंगे हम जिसका कर्जा। भगवान के समान, माँ के बराबर, उतना ही महान है गुरु का भी दर्जा, गुरु का भी दर्जा। किस्सा जिंदगी का शुरू ही ना हुआ होता, किस्सा जिंदगी का शुरू ही ना हुआ होता, अगर जिंदगी को जिंदगी बनाने वाला गुरु ही ना हुआ होता, गुरु ही ना हुआ होता। इंसान जिंदगी के हर भव सागर के पार है, साथ जिसके माँ की परछाई और गुरु का ज्ञान अपार है। In this deadly pandemic, it is our teachers who have kept the spirit of learning on. Kritanyata, a virtual Teachers' Day program, is a small initiative to express our heartfelt gratitude to our teachers. We'll be having students from our college who will be thanking their teachers in their own little ways. So let's commence with our program. For commencing the program, we have Raj Lakshmi Nambarkar, who will be presenting a classical dance number dedicated to our beloved teachers. Now we have with us the students of second year BA LLB expressing their gratitude towards their teachers.
Hello everyone, I am Mansi from second year BLLB. I have a message for everyone, every teachers. Happy Teachers Day to everyone. You have inspired me. You have taught me a lot, especially coming to the movies. I love watching movies and nowadays I have changed my perspective towards them because of all your guidance, and I think every single aspect, not just movies but every other single aspect. Simply when I walk through roads, I see different people teaching me different things and my perspective to look towards them have changed. Thank you for this. Thank you for changing my attitude towards various things. Happy Teachers Day to everyone.
Hi everyone, I am Prajakta Gajarmal from second year BLV. I would like to talk about Saurabh sir. Saurabh sir have a very different and precious qualities, and one of them is friendly attitude and honesty. Sir, you always makes us feel at home. Sir, you are a great teacher who takes a hand, opens a mind and touches to heart. Sir, आप हमेशा कहते हो आंसर नहीं आ रहा तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, डोंट वरी, बट सच कहो, झूठ मत बोलो. I will always give you marks on your honesty and not on your answer. You are not just a teacher to me. You are always an inspiration. Lucky to have you as a guide. A teacher is never giver of truth. He is a guide, a pointer of truth. Each student must find for himself. A good teacher is merely a catalyst. So happy Teachers Day to Saurabh sir and my all teachers. Thank you.
Hey, Madhvi here. I have a message for Madhura ma'am. First of all, happy Teachers Day ma'am. Thank you so much for always helping me out in every situation, for guiding me. Thank you for that. आप मेरे पहले दोस्त थे कॉलेज में जिन्होंने मेरी बहुत हेल्प की. आई विल नेवर फॉरगेट दैट. थैंक यू फॉर दैट एंड होप सो दैट वी विल मीट सून एंड स्टे सेफ. बाय.
Happy Teachers Day, sir. Saurabh sir, you're one of the best teachers I ever had. You're someone who I look up to and admire. I've got to learn a lot of things from you. You always say in class that Soch ka daira badhao. And if I think about it now, somewhere or the other, I've really started to think about things in that way. Huda Fazli ji once said, धूप में निकलो, घटाओं में नहा कर देखो, जिंदगी क्या है, किताबों को हटा कर देखो. You have very well taught us that education is not something which lies in books, but it lies beyond the books. It lies in our perspectives. You have provided me a lot of opportunities and encouraged me in a lot of ways. And I'm very grateful towards you and very thankful towards you. There's a lot to say, but sometimes words aren't enough to say all of it. I'm very, very proud to be a student. Without teachers, life would have no class, and therefore a very big happy Teachers Day to all the teachers out there.
Happy Teachers Day. I'm really happy to contribute in this year's Virtual Teachers Day. Today I'll be talking about that one teacher who had impact in my life, Saurabh sir. The first thing that comes in mind when someone says Saurabh sir is Soch ka daira badhao and har nazariye se socho. These mantras have very well helped us to develop us in many ways. He is a very, very good teacher, and along with the teacher, he is a really good mentor and a really good friend. He encourages us every time. He helps us in every possible way that he can. I really look up to him and I really admire him. I would like to thank to all the teachers that have been really supportive towards us and for helping us and for inspiring us in one or other way. And thanks for also being there for us. Thank you so much, and once again happy Teachers Day.
खुद पर बने हर चुटकुले, हर उस फॉरवर्डेड मीम्स को आजकल जो चुपचाप सहते हैं, ये उनकी कहानी है जिन्हें हम गुरु, मैडम, सर या अपना टीचर कहते हैं. हाँ, ये वही है जिनकी क्लास में अक्सर हम छुप कर टिफ़िन खाया करते थे. होमवर्क तो घर पर छूट गया मैडम, ऐसे बहाने बनाया करते थे. ये वही है जो हमारी गलतियों पर अक्सर हमें टोक दिया करते थे. जो गलतियाँ औरों ने की वो हमें करने से रोक दिया करते थे. पर अब ना वो रोकना ना टोकना, सब कुछ जैसे फाइन हो गया है. अरे अब तो कॉलेज भी ऑनलाइन हो गया है. अब हम होमवर्क करें ना करें क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है. टीचर्स की डांट से अब कहाँ कोई बच्चा डरता है. अब तो क्लास बंक करना भी पहले से आसान हो गया है. बंक करके पबजी खेल के सोचना जैसे टीचर्स का ही नुकसान हो गया है. ये वो लोग हैं जिनकी हमें अपनी ज़िंदगी में थोड़ी अहमियत सीख लेनी चाहिए. मैं जानती हूँ इस ऑनलाइन वाले अजीब से दौर में उन्हें तुमसे उम्मीद बहुत है, और ये भी जानती हूँ कि उन उम्मीदों पर पानी फेरने की तुम्हारे पास तरकीबें बहुत हैं. मगर एक बात तुम भी जान लेना, अगर सच लगे तो मान भी लेना. मिलो दूर, घर बैठकर स्क्रीन को घूरकर सिखाना आसान नहीं होता. सैलरी टाइम पर मिले ना मिले, पर हमें सिखाना इनके लिए एहसान नहीं होता. सौरभ सर जो हमें पॉल साइंस सिखाया करते थे, पूरे क्लास को प्लेटो एरिस्टोटल के दौर में ले जाकर संदीप सर आर यू एग्री बोलकर हमें थोड़ा और सोचने पर मजबूर कर देते थे. आज हम उनकी सिर्फ आवाज़ सुन पा रहे हैं जूम या माइक्रोसॉफ्ट टीम्स ऐप पर. मधुरा मैम का इकोनॉमिक्स ग्राफ बनाकर समझाना, अनाघा मैम का एक्टिविटीज़ लेके पढ़ाना, आज वो भी पीछे नहीं है इस वर्क फ्रॉम होम के वर्कलोड के साथ. पर काश काश हम समझ पाते कि ये वो लोग हैं जिन्होंने अपने अंदर वो अरमान रखे हैं। इस मुसीबत के समय कहीं हम पीछे ना छूट जाए, इसलिए हमारा हाथ इन्होंने थाम रखा है। कईयों के सफलता का ये वो अनकहा सा वजूद रहे हैं, हमको आगे बढ़ाकर पीछे हमेशा कूद रहे हैं। वो चाहते हैं कि जिंदगी में साक्षरता की कीमत हम सीख लें।
Hello everyone, I'm Tulsi Baheti from second year BLLB and I'm here wishing all the teachers a very happy Teachers Day. Thank you for being such an amazing teachers to us and also supporting us in every phase of life. Special thanks to Sandeep Bose sir for not only being a teacher but also a mentor, a guide and a friend, and also showing us the right path while we are in a problem. Here I am wishing all the teachers once again a very happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Sakshi Salunke from second year BLLB. So on this occasion of Teachers Day, I would like to wish each and every teacher of Sri Namalmal Firodia Law College a very happy Teachers Day. Thank you for your invaluable efforts and guidance. And I especially thank Sandeep Borse sir for inspiring me. Your kindness make me feel more welcome and comfortable. Thank you.
Teachers Day to all the teachers. Since the program is all about gratitude, a very big thank you to Anagha ma'am and Saurabh sir, because both of you all have enriched our lives and have a very big part in shaping our personality as people and lawyers. Anagha ma'am, thank you so much for always exposing and updating us over things which you think will help us excel in our academics and career. And Saurabh sir is just our mentor. He shapes our personality. He tells us everything about morals and ethics. He helps us to lead a very ethical life. So, sir, your life skills do matter a lot. And all of us are looking forward to meet you all in person again. We are missing our classroom fun. And we are going to need you really hard to get back to college after all of this ends. And sir, don't you threaten us henceforth कि मैं अगले साल रहूं या नहीं रहूं. We need you and we want you. That's it. Thank you once again and wishing you a very, very happy Teachers Day.
A very happy Teachers Day to all the teachers. A small message for all the 4 teachers who have taught me up till now in the college. Anagha ma'am, thank you so much for being such a sweet person. It is because of your kind gestures and the lovely teachings that we feel at home in the college. संदीप सर, तुमच्याबद्दल जेवढं बोललो तेवढं कमी आहे. तुम्ही आम्हाला जीवन कसा जगायचा आहे आणि सोशियोलॉजीच्या पुस्तकाच्या पलीकडे जे शिक्षण देता ते खरंच आमच्यासाठी खूप वैल्यूएबल आहे. सौरभ सर, आपकी वजह से हम लोगों का सोचने का दायरा बढ़ता ही जा रहा है. एंड आई प्रॉमिस यू दैट इफ देयर इज अ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बीइंग मेड in the 2050, all of us will be a part of the Constituent Assembly. Madhura ma'am, thanks for teaching us how to be punctual and on time in the lectures. Thanks for making the tedious and the most difficult economic concepts so very easy for us. Thank you so much.
Life is a continuous process of learning. We get to learn something new at every step of our life. When I entered this college, I was skeptic and confused about what was going to happen. But it turned out to be an amazing experience until this pandemic arrived. But this pandemic can only limit us in our physical boundaries, not our mental boundaries. For we are the kites flying in the limitless sky. And it is because of our teachers that we can learn something new every day, even in the time of these pandemics. These are the people who are keeping the lamp burning in storm. No matter how much I try, no matter how much I do, I'll never be able to return the favor that they did on us. I'll never be able to do what they did to us. But I'd still like to express my gratitude through words in my best capacity. Starting with Anagha ma'am. When I first entered the college, my first session, my first lecture was of Anagha ma'am. And it turned out to be a mesmerizing lecture. She's encouraging, and under her guidance in Club Aesthetica, I got to learn a lot of new things. I got to learn how to speak. I got to learn how to introduce our guests. I got to learn how to write official letters for invitation and a lot more things. Her professionalism in herself, it itself teaches me a lot. And I aspire to keep working with her. Thank you, ma'am. Next, none other than our Sandeep sir. He is the most beautiful person I've ever met in my life. He is like the epitome, he's like a crystal which emanates positivity. Because as far as I have seen him, he maintains the most positive attitude in our college. He's ready to help you at every step of your life, be it related to your academics, your personal life, related to office work, hostel, sports, everything and anything. He's always ready to help you. And I got to learn a lot from him. Talking about learning, how can we forget Saurabh sir? But the most important aspect that he taught us, especially me, for us, for everyone it was, but for me, the aspect of unlearning was the most important. Because we are not supposed to give biased judgments. We have to learn to make our own decisions, be it life, be it your professional field. The process of unlearning is important because if we do not unlearn what we have already learned, we will not be able to grasp anything new. And Saurabh sir, with his friendly nature, has boosted my confidence a lot. I feel like I'm talking to a friend. I can express my feeling on any topic to him because of his friendly nature. And not just me, I think that I share my experience with a lot of other students. That's why I guess Saurabh sir has the highest attendance in any of the lectures. Now last but not the least, Madhura ma'am. Madhura ma'am is the epitome of professionalism. The way she talks, the way she teaches, the way she carries herself is an example for us to learn from, that how we should be behaving in our professional lives. Madhura ma'am is a disciplined teacher and she tries to instill discipline in her students as well. But people think that she is strict. She is strict when she is in class. But after class, I have talked to her. She understands the problem that you're facing. She understands her students. But talking about class, she is strict about the discipline. In getting to learn economics terminology every day from her is nothing but a blessing. I look forward to work with all these 4 teachers during the course of my life, not just this college. Because we get to learn everything from everyone. Like Lord Dattatreya said, Lord Dattatreya had 24 gurus. He learned every little thing, every little detail from different things. And I would like to conclude my speech. I don't have any words. I would just like to conclude my speech with the Sanskrit shlok. Akhanda mandalakaram vyaptam yena characharam tatpadam darshitam tena tasmai shri gurume namah. Thank you.
Now we have with us students of 3rd year BLLB expressing their gratitude towards their teachers.
Hello everyone, I'm Isha Shetty from 3rd BLLB. It's my honor to talk about our beloved teacher. We get very few chances, so I wanted to grab it. Starting with Sandeep sir. Sir, you are the coolest. As we all know that whenever a student comes to a degree college, he is always nervous. But sir, you made us comfortable within few days and we found a great friend within you. Thank you so much. And one experience I want to share with you all, that there was a debate going on in the class as an activity and the debate got off the topic. So being irritated, I told sir that there's nothing we can learn from it and can we stop it? So sir, in very calmly and in a very laughing way, he told me there are a lot of things we can learn from it. So a bit confused, he explained me that the first thing he told me that Isha, this is the exact scenario of real life. You have to face it. You can't run away from it. So he told that about debate, this is the exact scenario of Lok Sabha. So you don't have an option of running. Face it. And also he told me that it also tests that what is the level of your tolerance. So in real life, you have to be very tolerant and you have to make best out of the worst situation. So he always thought we can learn from it. So that moment I thought that moment sir told me, Isha, you can learn from it that you have to be calm and your intelligence has to be reflected in your actions. You have to be calm in your future life. That is the only way you can be happy in your life. So thank you so much, sir, that you taught us not just subject but also real life solutions. Thank you so much. And I can always say that you are always enthusiastic for all the events and of course for the sports department. We are really looking forward that we can work with you for all these years, all the upcoming years. Now talking about Anagha ma'am, thank you so much ma'am for giving us the responsibilities for heading the clubs, and we really liked how you just gave us the opportunity to be the member as well as heading the club. It taught us many things. Firstly, what we learned is leadership qualities and consistency, which is really a need of an hour. And we also like that in the pandemic, you took so many activities, and we can say that we missed our college 1% less because of that. Thank you so much, ma'am. Now talking about Saurabh sir, it's really hard for us to say that to distinguish whether sir we should call him a sir or we should call him our friend, because he's the perfect bridge for the generation gap. I really loved sir how he respected our education system, yet he wanted to update it. And the brainstorming sessions he took, he just like other teachers, he also taught us how to be extra thinking over all the subjects, not just theoretically but also practically. One thing I want to share his experiences. He always told us that it's a movie time. Enjoy in the class. So we really liked that, and he also trusted us about the attendance. So thank you so much, sir. Of course, we'll inculcate all the brainstorming sessions and your type of teaching. Thank you so much, sir. Now talking about Meghna ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for the chai party, and I hope that other teachers will also give us other chai parties. About our Aishwarya ma'am. Now coming towards the law subject, Aishwarya ma'am. Ma'am, we really love how interacting your class is, and even Aishwarya ma'am, not just theoretically, but she also wants that law should be practically implemented. So I love the way she takes all the activities, and I really love her spontaneousness and her enthusiasm. Thank you, ma'am, for trusting us and giving us a lot of opportunities. About Rohini Monak ma'am. She's our beloved principal ma'am. She's also the right blend for the perfect principal ma'am and a friendly teacher. In the first 2 years, we were really scared of our principal ma'am as a respected form. But when she came as a teacher, that we really felt that she is very friendly, and also that she has a great systematic way of teaching. We really like that pattern, ma'am. It is really easy for us to grab subjects like IPC. And also one point I want to highlight that our principal ma'am not only just teaches us very good, but she also encourages students by giving personal feedbacks after every presentation. And she also appreciates in front of everyone, so that gives us more self-confidence, and we are more encouraged that we can do something in our life. So thank you so much, ma'am. The Kedari sir. Sir, you have been teaching us for very few days, but we really enjoy a lot in your class. You made the IPR subject very easy for us, and all the real life experiences and your personal experiences when you share, and of course the lifestyle you were teaching us, that's really amazing, and we really enjoy the discussions with you. Thank you so much, sir. And about Akshay sir, I really like that how you even in pandemic online lectures, you teach us with the chalk and board that makes us, that gives us feeling that we are in the classroom only. Last but not the least, I would talk about Pooja Bagele ma'am. Ma'am, you are very cute. We really love your sessions, and I can also say about you that ma'am is, she looks forward how to make the lectures interesting. So at the start, she cracks few jokes and makes us awake from our sleep, because as it's the last lecture and it's a history lecture, she really makes funny jokes, and after that she teaches us very nicely, and she also tells us her experiences in her college, that we feel more related to the ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am, for being friendly with me and always teaching, making history subject bit interesting with all your jokes and of course discussion parts. After every lecture, we have a brainstorming session also. So thank you so much, ma'am, for all it. And all the teachers in our college are really amazing and always helping us. Thank you so much, ma'am. Also the mamas and other non-teaching staff, they have also guided us. So happy Teachers Day to all. I just want to end up saying that teachers have always played a different role in our lives. Sometimes being a friend and sometimes being a guiding star. Also, they have always made us feel that they are our second parents. So thank you so much all of the teachers for playing amazing roles, and you really are really good actors in all the roles.
Teachers' Day, a day kept aside to honor the gifted souls who work so hard for us so we can have a bright future. On this auspicious occasion, I find myself lucky to express my feelings and gratitude towards our wonderful teachers. From the very first day of my college, I have adored each and every teacher I came across. Sandeep sir, with his brightest smile and his constant efforts to make lectures fun for us and make us learn new things every day. Anaga ma'am, with her sweetest voice, which would make us wish that her lectures went on and on forever. Madhura ma'am, who never gave us a free lecture, but we still loved her for the way she taught us. And Saurabh sir, who always amazed us with his great treasure of knowledge. During this global pandemic, our teachers proved to be our true heroes. Even though they had their own struggles, every day they smiled towards us through their laptop screens. Aishwarya ma'am, who is so friendly to us, you can never miss a lecture. Rohini Onap ma'am, with her sweetest smile, which brightens up our day. Aditya Kedari sir, who clears all our silly doubts with such a calm. Akshay sir, who is so calm and sweet that he personally interacts with us so he can help us throughout. And last but not the least, our Pooja ma'am, who always greets us with "Hello mere bachcho," and it makes our day. All these teachers have had a great impact on my life and have inspired me to be a better person. At last, I wish you all a happy Teachers' Day, and you all are truly our heroes. Thank you.
Greetings. Happy Teachers' Day. So let's take you all to the journey of gratitude. For our small efforts, you have always appreciated and inspired us. So why not today express our thankfulness towards such individualities? So, Sandeep sir came as teacher cum friend. The nicest thing about him is patience and liberal thoughts. In the era of prejudice, how to remain unbiased is what he taught. Anagha ma'am has always been sweet. In all the rising storms, what will remain calm is her voice. Madhura ma'am has been the perfect example for punctuality. Saurabh sir has been a bit different. His brainstorming sessions were truly incredible. And in few months, he shaped us with a thought. Where others' thinking ends, there yours start. With this, we entered into the world of law. Akshay sir, when I was giving sociology, he just said one thing. Whenever I will teach you my subject, we will not have to worry. And truly, he made a technical and fearing subject like contract as the simplest one. His simplicity is beyond anything. Aishwarya ma'am has been the one who has let theory come into practice. She has given us the best exposure till the time. The way she criticizes and appreciates a particular provision is just amazing. Okay, talking about Rohini ma'am, Frankly speaking, in starting I had a bit fear because she is our principal, but later I found her so graceful, and she is like, if any doubt, I'm just call and message away, and it means a lot for us. Aditya sir has made IPR so interpreting. He is knowledgeable and discussions with him are always extraordinary. Firstly, for history, we had Sonali ma'am. She has made subject very easy peasy. She is charming. And later, Pooja ma'am took over the subject. From the very first day, she made us comfortable with the sudden changes made. This is what appealed. Like, she is the coolest and craziest one. We crack riddles, we crack jokes, we discuss whatnot. Teachers don't only teach us. When we are apart from home, they act as our parents. In confusion, become a guide. And in distress, act as friend. We, students, are taught, who are shaped by potter like them. Much respect and gratitude for you all, which is beyond words. Once again, Happy Teachers' Day.
A teacher firmly holds a hand, gently opens a mind, and tenderly touches a heart. Hello everyone, today I am Ronak Nanwani from 3rd year BLLB, going to speak something about all my lovely teachers. You all helped me in every possible way. You supported me in all the good things I did. You never scolded me for any of my mischievous thing or wrongful deed, though I didn't commit any. To be honest, these 2 years were my first college years, and getting teachers like you is really a blessing for me. Thank you isn't enough for the knowledge that you inculcated in us. Though we are not together on this auspicious day of Teachers' Day, but I assure you that I pray God that you get all the happiness in your life. My parents always taught me कि गुरु का स्थान माता पिता से उच्च होता है. Thank you so much for everything. Stay safe. आपका आशीर्वाद हमेशा बना रहे.
In the words of James Allen, no duty is more urgent than that of returning thanks. I am Rajlakshmi Nimbalkar from 3rd year BLLB, and on this occasion of Teachers' Day, I take this opportunity to extend my heartfelt gratitude to all the members of the DES Law family who have never failed to inspire me and to teach me so many things in so many different ways. Starting off from my pre-law teachers, I would like to thank Anaga ma'am, Sandeep sir, Saurabh Jadhav sir, Madhura Apte ma'am, and Prachi ma'am for all the wonderful things that they have taught us and for all the opportunities that they have provided us with. Talking about my law teachers, I would like to say a big thank you to Aishwarya Kadam ma'am, Rohini Honap ma'am, Madhushri Joshi ma'am, Aditya Kedari sir, and Pooja Baghel ma'am for their constant support. Like every student in every school has a few favorite teachers, definitely I would like to mention mine in this video. My heartfelt gratitude to Saurabh sir, Anaga ma'am, and Neeta ma'am for all their support throughout my journey at DES Sri Navalmal Firodia Law College. In the end, I cannot end my note without thanking all the wonderful seniors that have been teaching us and inspiring us to do so many different things in so many different fields in our college. I would like to end with a quote. Guruni dila jnana rupi vasa ami salavu pudhe varasa. We will always carry forward the legacy that you have taught us. Thank you and happy Teachers' Day to one and all.
A very happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers back in college. This is just a small token of appreciation and is nothing compared to what you all have given to us. The meaningful insights, the life lessons, the knowledge that you all have tried to inculcate in us are something that have paved path for our better future. They all have been a source of guidance, a source of inspiration, and a source of light for all of us. You all work so relentlessly for us to have a better future and for which we are forever grateful. Thank you so much, teachers, for being such an integral part in our lives, and we owe all our success to you all. Thank you so much.
भगवान को भी भगवान बनने के लिए गुरु का ही ज्ञान काम आया था. भगवान को भी भगवान बनने के लिए गुरु का ही ज्ञान काम आया था। लोगों ने तो बस उंगली पकड़कर चलना सिखाया था, मगर गुरु ने कहाँ चलना है ये बताया था। Now we have with us students of second year LLB presenting their views on the teachers.
The light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the hope that gives us strength to survive. Our teachers. Today, we celebrate Teachers' Day, a day kept aside to honor the gifted soul who have been working every day to make sure that the future is bright for all of us. I, Sushmita Avinash of 2nd LLB, would like to wish a very happy Teachers' Day to all my beloved teachers who have been working hard even in this pandemic situation and imparting knowledge. I would like to express few words of gratitude for you. मैं आज जो हूँ मुझे बनाने वाले आप हैं। मैं आज जो हूँ मुझे बनाने वाले आप हैं। आप हो तो अंजुमन है, आपसे ही ये अंजुमन है। आप हो तो हमारे अफसाने हैं, हमारी कामयाबी के किस्से हैं। आप हो तो एक अजीब मुस्कुराहट है, एक अजीब दरिया दिली है। आप जो रोज रोज वक्त से 2 मिनट पहले आते हो, कायदे के किस्से सुनाते हो, वही गिनी चुनी पुरानी गलतियों पर पूरे अवमान के रौब से चीखते चिल्लाते हो। आप इतनी मोहब्बत कहाँ से लाते हो? आप इतनी मोहब्बत कहाँ से लाते हो? I wish a very happy Teachers' Day once again to all my dear and your teachers who have been there at every point of time, no matter what, and making all the subjects easy and fun for us. Thank you.
A good teacher can inspire hope, ignite imagination, and instill a love of learning. I, Urja Nurgaonkar from 2nd LLB, would like to wish all the teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. They say that the greatest service one can provide in life is the exchange of knowledge. A teacher shapes us, directs us to walk on the right path to attain our goals, and constantly influences us to work hard to bring out our best version. On the occasion of Teachers' Day, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to all the teachers and wish them a happy Teachers' Day and thank them for being there in our life to constantly guide us and to make these vast subjects simple, interesting, and easy to understand. Thank you so much to all the teachers. Thank you.
जिसकी सफलता की परिभाषा मेरा सफल हो जाना है, जिसकी सफलता की परिभाषा मेरे और उसके सारे विद्यार्थियों का सफल हो जाना है, वही गुरु के वात्सल्य की सदृढ़ सशक्त परिभाषा है. Now we have a student from LLM second year expressing his thanks to the teachers.
Hello everyone, I am Siddheshwar Ashok Kashit, student of LLM second year. Wish to put my own words on the occasion of Teachers' Day 2020. I am proud as a student of Janani ma'am because she is the granddaughter of Vasant Krishna Vaidya who wrote Indian Constitution in his own handwriting in the medium of Hindi. I also have the proud as a student of Nalini ma'am because she works as a dean of LLM faculty. She works politely to provide all facilities to the LLM students, and LLM students can participate in all programs of the college. What would say about the Pooja ma'am? She completed a state exam in first attempt and joined as a professor in which college he studied his graduation and post-graduation. She is the role model of the students who wishes to make career in the faculty of teaching staff. We have lucky that we have Ganga ma'am as a librarian, because she provides us offline and online sources of the knowledge. I like to say that he provides treasury of knowledge to all of us. We are lucky that we have staff and non-teaching staff as assistants with us for the official purpose. I would like to say a lot of thanks to Sandeep Borse sir who allowed me hostel admission during the LM first year. I also have to say a lot of thanks to Rohini Honup ma'am who allowed and permitted me to learn in his college. I have confidence that I will complete my purpose for which I come in Pune and this college. Thank you.
What better way to end this magnanimous evening with a melodious song? Presenting a melodious song by Akhilesh Kakre.
Happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers.
everyone for being with us here on the Virtual Teachers Day program Kritanyata. Aesthetica thanks all the viewers and everyone present over here today. At last, a very happy Teachers Day to everyone present here. Thank you.
खोलो खोलो दरवाजे पर्दे करो किनारे खूटे से बंदी है हवा मिल के छुड़ाओ सारे आ जाओ पतंग लेके अपने ही रंग लेके आसमां का शामियाना आज हमें है सजाना क्यों इस कदर हैरान तू मौसम का है मेहमान तू ओ दुनिया सजी तेरे लिए खुद को जरा पहचान तू